Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add voiceover to your video on the Premiere Rush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below in order to add media or take a video or photo with your phone, or you can also tap on a video that you have already inserted. Click on the plus icon and tap on voiceover. As you can see, you can add three audio recordings. So tap on this start icon down below in this left side column. That's the red button, so click on it and then you will be able to start speaking. Right now you have seen a countdown and now you are ready to speak. As you can see, if you are done with it and would like to stop the recording, tap on this red button and you will be able to listen to your voiceover by tapping on the play button right now. And then you will be able to hear the original sound of the video and also the voiceover that you have added to your video. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.